Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Macho and this is Dirty Red Gaming. So today we got another sneaker review. We're gonna be taking a look at the Jordan 1 Sales or the Jordan 1 Stealth. This is the woman's sneaker. Picked it up at Hibbett Sport. Not too much to say about it. Just gonna be a quick review over just this Jordan 1 sneaker. So let's go. Alright, so we picked this sneaker up right here from Hibbett Sports. It did not come in the sneaker box, so they gave us a little discount on it. It was really $125. Got it for like $112 or something like that. This sneaker was released in 2021, I want to say, and then they turned around and released it again in 2022 in December. So this is a pretty good sneaker. I've been looking at Jordan 1 so long on my channel, and I kind of just wanted to show y'all this. It's called the Stealth sneaker, maybe because it's the gray. You got your gray right here, then you got your gray at the bottom. It's a mid, and it's also a female shoe, which is crazy. Like I said, I started wearing female shoes when I was in high school. I thought it was crazy, but I just looked at the female shoes. They used to have the crazy colors in the female shoe, but when it comes to the man shoe, you had the basic red, black, blue. But when you had a female sneaker, it was a little different. I didn't have to worry about nobody grabbing a female sneaker from me. But they call this the Stealth or the Sail. I don't know what the Sail means, but it's a pretty good looking shoe. Like I said, you got your leathers, you got your Jordan logo right here with your wings. It's kind of a off-white color right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a pretty good sneaker, man. I picked it up. Like I said, they didn't have the shoe box for it at Hibbett Sports, so they kind of threw me a little discount on them. But it's all good. I ain't tripping, but you got your Jumpman logo right here in the gray. And they call this, it's a stealth color. Nothing too crazy about it. I've been doing so many Jordan 1 reviews, and as much as I say I dislike the shoe, like I said, my issue is always right here, the crease. As much as I say I dislike the shoe, I just so happen to keep finding them and picking them up. But this is a mid right here. And like I always tell you when I do my copper knots, it's not too crazy, but if I had to rate this from a 0 to 10, man, I probably would give this shoe probably like a 6. It's nothing too crazy. When I get into the Jordan shoes, I really like to go with some color, a little flavor. But right here, this is just a plain shoe. It's so, if you take away that Jordan logo right there, it's really gonna look like a dunk to me. But it's not that bad of a sneaker. Not that bad for the price. This is a woman's shoe. Got this in the 10. It's really like an 8.5 in men. So it's not that bad. I really like the gray though. It's like a little cool little gray. Look at the other sneaker right here. So yeah, I had to give this like a 6 though, man, because like I said, with these Jordans, man, they kind of tough to wear. They hard to wear. But when I say cop it, I would definitely say cop it. The reason I say cop it, man, is because, like I said, when you see Jordans just sitting, you see them sitting, and it's just like, the shoe may not be popular right now, but if you can get a Jordan sneaker for a pretty good price, go ahead and grab it. These won't be like $112 or something like that. One hit my pocket too hard, so I went ahead and grabbed them. And then being that these are female sneaker, you ain't gonna find this color, so when you walk around in these, you ain't got too much worry about another guy having them. You know, you may see them on another female foot, but these are good like everyday sneaker. They got the gray bottoms, so you know what that means for me. I ain't gotta worry too much about cleaning them up and them getting dirty or whatever. And you just gotta worry about cleaning the white. But I really like this sneaker for some reason. Probably catch me in it a few times, nothing too stupid on them, but yeah, tell me what y'all think about them. But yeah, this is the Jordan 1 Stealth or the Jordan 1 Sail, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, good sneaker review for a Monday. Real clean, real clean, real clean. You got your Jumpman logo right there. In the gray, your leather all around it with your white sail color toe. Got your gray or sail color swoosh with your off-white Jordan logo right there. Not too bad. So let's get these things on feet real quick, and I'm out.